Today, let's explore 5 reasons why a woodworking project is not only great for creating something beautiful, but also incredibly beneficial for your mental health. Reason 1. Reduces stress. First up, woodworking is a powerful stress reducer. The focus required for each step in a woodworking project, from measuring to sanding, lets your mind relax and tune out everyday worries. Studies show that hands-on tasks like woodworking have a calming effect, helping to lower stress hormones and promote relaxation. For more on how woodworking can support your mental health, check the description below and subscribe for more woodworking health tips. Reason 2. Boosts mood and satisfaction. Finishing a woodworking project gives you an instant boost of satisfaction. Each step, from planning to completion, triggers dopamine, the brain's feel-good hormone. Having a tangible result from your hard work doesn't just make you happy in the moment. It leaves you feeling more positive and capable, which is fantastic for your overall mental health. Reason 3. Improves focus and patience. Woodworking requires careful attention to detail and patience, qualities that help sharpen your focus. During a woodworking project, you practice staying present and mindful, which is beneficial for mental health as it trains your brain to concentrate better over time. Plus, learning to slow down and take your time is a skill that can improve your outlook on other tasks as well. Reason 4. Provides a creative outlet. Woodworking is a fantastic creative outlet. The process of designing, planning, and building something from scratch allows you to express yourself and bring ideas to life. Creative activities like these are linked to positive mental health because they offer a break from routine and a chance to tap into a deeper part of ourselves. Reason 5. Builds confidence and self-esteem. Finishing a woodworking project boosts your confidence and self-esteem. Each project, no matter the size, helps you develop new skills and problem-solving abilities. This builds a sense of accomplishment, which is key to good mental health. Knowing you can create something meaningful and functional adds to your confidence in other areas of life too. Remember to check the description below and subscribe for more tips on how woodworking can boost mental health. So whether you're tackling a small shelf or a complex table, remember that a woodworking project is more than just a craft. It's a way to care for your mental health, build confidence, and bring a bit of creativity into your life.